frolic. Frolic. I know frolic. Well, that's what you're saying. What are you saying?
I said now it's time to get on bad and don't panic.
I thought I hear frolic. You know?
I did say frolic.
You said frolic? And don't panic.
Panic, frolic, and another word.
So that's one of the new ones I like.
Yeah.
I like it, that vibe.
It's called Remedy.
It's called Remedy.
Yeah. The remedy after the pandemic, now that we have Carnival, the remedy is there.
Yeah.
In Carnival. Carnival heals us.
So the mother of all Carnival is approaching. But sometimes I always say something before you look ahead, you look back a little bit.
Yeah.
And the 2.5 years of the pandemic.
It's really 3 years if you're counting it in terms of Carnival.
Yeah.
The last time that we were out there on the road playing mass in Trinidad
2020.
So 3 years. We missed 3 years.
Yeah.
I think a lot of the music is geared towards, that celebratory kind of vibe.
Yeah.
Appreciation.
What it was for you like Destra? I mean, I know every artist would have experienced it differently. Some, you get going into other depression because you literally were not able to do anything, Yeah.
People take that for granted, that entertainment, the sector was the first to close and the last to open. And in the period, it wasn't 3 years of us not working, but it was 2. And, a lot of people, some suffered more than some. Those that made good investments probably, had it a little bit easier than others. But it was tough not being able to work at all. Your entire sense of income, if you didn't have a trade or you didn't have a second job, people like myself that only do this, it was hard for them.
Yeah. Looking ahead now, as I said, I think a lot to celebrate with the fact that we're just able to enjoy and look ahead after Christmas to
but
Carnival.
Not only that, look at us. We've been wearing masks. We can talk to each other without being scared. It's amazing how something could just come upon you so quickly and make you so fearful and then just disappear. And we're kind of all right now.
Yeah. You have some big plans, I think, going into the season because
well, this is the mother of the Carnival.
Right.
And I just feel like because we miss so much, I really want to celebrate. And next year, please God, I'm doing my 16th album.
16?
Yeah, in 2023, I'll be releasing my 16th album. It's called Unchained. And rightfully so, because we were feeling chained up with this whole pandemic, and now we could release.
Oh, brilliant.
So that's one.
Right.
And then it's also going to
like
be...
breaking the chains, breaking the chains.
Break free,
oh, brilliant.
break free.
Right.
And and then it's also going to be the 20th anniversary of the song. It's Carnival that Marshall and I did together. It's going to be
20 years?
Yes.
No, but I was about 12 when
Me
I...
too.
20 years? I was 12.
I too.
We were 12.
They say I too.
And that's 20 years. That's serious, no?
Yeah, no. So not 20 years. Yeah.
So 20.
It came out in 2003.
3.
Yeah, so 20 years of its Carnival. So, and I mean,
classic,
up to now,
classic.
You can't have a fest anywhere in the world, anywhere without playing.
It sounds new. It sounds new
every
year.
single time. And the emotions are always the same.
My paws raised. Oh my goodness.
My paws raised too.
How long are you in the business?
Well, that would have been probably the start, because it's also 20 years of my first album, my first soca album. Because I had an album before that, but it was unreleased and it was not soca.
Yeah.
Right, so that's making up the 16. But about 20, that started in 1999, no, wait, no longer, right?
It's 100 years you're doing this thing? It's 100 years that's just singing soca.
Since I was a child. No, but I was actually on stage for the first time when I was 10. I was singing calypso and stuff when I was 10. It just kept progressing, and when I became a young teenager, I started to record and make albums and stuff, and here we are now.
You never looked back, because I remember your story early in terms of those young years, those formative years, and you never really wanted to do anything else.
No. I always liked being on stage. Since I was 10, going on stage for that first time and hearing people scream and applaud me, I got addicted to the attention and just being able to do something that was amazing to other people who liked my bravery, who liked the voice, who liked I was cute and I was doing, So whatever it was that made people like me on stage, I got addicted to that, and I say I want to do that for the rest of your life.
Rest of your life.
Like, so far so good.
And 100 years later, you are
Why
here.
you don't